Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. I'm just getting some makeup on because I just feel like it. It's just one of those days where I just want to put makeup on. I'm actually going to Sainsburys later to do my part Eid shop kind of thing, but I'm going to be starting to prepare for Eid properly today. For example, wrapping presents. That's one of the things that I need to get done because I got lots of it to do. So what I'm going to do is wrap as many as I can before I go shopping, and then buy some more wrapping paper because I don't have loads of wrapping paper. I don't think I've got enough for all the presents today anyway, so let's see what we can do. This is how I do my makeup. I have my wardrobe here and then all my makeup. I really need to organise this because my makeup is just all in here. It's a crazy mess. But that's basically how I do my makeup these days, just keep going back and forward to the mirror that's on the wall over there. But I need some new clothes because half these ones don't even fit me. I don't even know why I kept them from the loft, like this and this and this. They're all just really big for me. Like I was just trying them on now because it's such a beautiful day outside. So I thought I'd wear like a nice summery outfit, but it's just, they don't fit me. I'm gonna have to get some new clothes, which I'm not complaining about, but I wish Primark was open. Actually, I'm glad that it's not because I would have spent way too much on there. In there even. I also just close and open this cupboard so that I can see myself in this mirror because I can't bother to go over there. Lazy. But anyway, I'll see you when my face is looking a bit more presentable. Oh, look! Sneaky peek of our Eid outfits. Even though you've already seen them. Okay, I think I have a better idea actually. I was going to do it on the bed, but I'm thinking I could use this dresser. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm going to use this table here, which is Esas dresser. How perfect is this to wrap presents? Look what I just did, guys. I dropped my MAC powder everywhere. Sad times. Oh my god, this is going to be a pain to get rid of. Got rid of it a lot better than I thought it would. Okay, my scarf looks crazy. Oh my god, what's going on here? Let me fix that. Shall I show you how I did this hijab style? Might as well, since I'm doing it again. So basically what you want to do, a little bit on one side, and then you just want to take it like this and meet them at the back, like that. Get your pin it, and then sort this side out so that you've got a little bit on this side because you don't want too much on this side, and then you want to sort this part out so it's not too fluffy, and then you grab this side, the part that's underneath, and then it kind of folds naturally because of the fold that you put in it first, which you put like 1/4 of the way fold, 1/3 of the way, maybe like this much. Can you see? Anyway, so then you take it around your head like this, and then I like to lift it up and pull it that way so that it kind of creates a little bit of a gap between your neck so it's not too tight. This is perfect for like warmer weather, which is boiling today. And then you kind of want to sort it out around your head so that it suits the shape of your face, and you kind of neaten it out a lot and just make a fold, like lift some of the fabric up like that and then pull it back slightly. Just play around with it until you're happy with the way it looks basically. So I like the way that looks, so I'm going to pin that under the fold like that, and then the other side, oh look at that, fold that down. Then you want to grab this part, flip it under, and then sort that out a little, put that part and pin it over here, and there you go. That is how you do the hijab style. Everybody always asks me whenever I wear this one, so that's how you do it. You can wear earrings. I'm not going to wear earrings today because I don't feel fancy, but I'm going to be doing some wrapping now. I'm actually boiling. That is all of the presents that I can wrap today because I've run out of wrapping paper. Still got a few left to wrap. There's still some in this box as well, mainly Elisa's presents. But yeah, that is what is going on. I am going to go downstairs and sort out a list to go shopping with. Just finished my shopping and look what I did. Left the window open this whole time. How clever am I? Anyway, I took a very long time to do that shop. I took nearly 2 hours to do that shop. So now I need to rush back. Oh, I really want to go to M&S though, but I think I'm going to get in trouble when I get back. So just got back from Sainsburys. We're going to do a shopping haul now. I definitely didn't get all of the things that I needed, but I'm gonna have to go shopping again. So let's start with the frozen stuff. As usual, loads of ice lollies. So I've got some rainbow lollies, I got some rainbow lollies, bubblegum lollies, and I also got some milk lollies. And then for me, I got some Mackey's ice cream. I didn't actually get loads today. I got essentials and some clothes. So the next thing I got was some cheese. I got some double cream. This is for something I'm making on Eid. Exciting. Got some fromage frais yogurts for the kids. Tomatoes, pears, potatoes. These are the King Edward potatoes. Butter, carrots, bananas, apples, the little mini kids ones. I thought I'd get myself a special drink to have on Eid so it feels more Eid-like. I got some of this. This is the Belvoir Fruit Farms raspberry lemonade. I love this stuff. And then I also got some cartons of juice for the kids, so apple juice and orange juice. The last bag, I got some of these soft white craft baked rolls. I got some of these fruit paws for the kids. They just love snacking, so those are a little bit healthier than getting chocolate. I didn't get any chocolate today. And then I also got these Humzingers strawberry fruit sticks. I don't know what these are like, but I thought we'd try them. I also got some Lotus Biscuits. This is a lot of them. I didn't realise how many there are. But I'm going to be making something with this on Eid as well. I've been looking in the baking section, stupidly. Go and look in the hot chocolate section where the coffee and the tea and stuff is, because I found this there. I don't know if I'm the only one who didn't know that, but there you go. Then I also got some baking powder. They didn't have anything else. I was after caster sugar, plain flour, everything. Everyone said go to Sainsburys, but maybe it's like a specific time we have to go, but today they didn't have any. And then I got some ketchup because we were running very low. And that is all the food that I got. But the next thing I'm going to show you are the clothes that I got. I got Elisa some little sandals. How cute are they? Adorable. She hasn't got any sandals for this year, so I thought we'd get those ones because they kind of would go with her Eid clothes a little bit as well. And then I got some shorts for Easter. How cute are these? I was going to get him the 1.5 to 2 years, but they didn't have that size, so I just got 2 to 3 because then they'll fit him anyway. And hopefully these drawstrings work because he's got a skinny little waist. And then I also got him this little Dinosaur Print top. How cute is that? It's so adorable, and it's blue like my scarf and Elisa's dress, so gonna be matching. And then I picked up this for myself. This is like a maxi dress. I think it's a maxi dress or a midi dress. I think it's a midi dress. There was 25% off everything, so it turned out to be like £16 from 22. But it's gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. I love the print of it. What do you think? Anyway, that is everything that I got. But then when it's time to eat, I'll get the food out, and today we were having some samosas and
obviously some water, and then we have some chicken curry which the husband cooked, and I'm having it with this delicious bread roll which makes this dish taste like something we'd eat at weddings a few years ago. But yeah, it was so delicious, and Issa is still awake. But that is going to be the end of this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!